guys, today I will use my own roller coaster. 3, 2, 1, let's go, dude. Let's go. Let's use a roller coaster. Let's use a roller coaster, bro. Let's go. Why are minecarts super slow, bro? They're super slow. Why are they so slow, bro? Why are they so slow? I need them to be fast, bro. Minecraft. Fix Minecraft, bro. They're super slow. Cameron eating was right. I hate that. I don't know why he eats birds. Guys, that sound is just from my mom. No, because she's watching something. Listen to that, bro. This is super long. This is the longest part. It's longer than the giraffe neck. It's longer than KSI's forehead and bigger than your mom. I know spam. Let's go. Oh my god. If video takes 2 minutes, start giving me the sound. That's all, guys. Bye bye. See you next